Welcome to another video. Today I'm in the garage again with the wood lathe. I'm going to be trying to make another baseball bat. This was my first baseball bat I ever turned on the lathe. It was a 4x4, white pine. This thing's really light, but it's got a double barrel at the end. If you hit something hard enough, it would hurt, but it would probably split. I was out there in the woods today and I found this. Not exactly sure. I think it's a maple. And it's pretty straight. It's pretty straight. Not a lot that's going to mean you need to take it off, so I'm going to take off the bark and we're going to see if I can make a baseball bat out of it. I just had an incident where I was carving into the bark and a piece got cut but not enough, and I was flipping around and it hit my hand pretty hard. So for future projects I would definitely try to peel the bark before I get to this stage, just because this one's so dry. Not worth getting hit in the hand. It's a good thing I was wearing a glove. And after hours and hours of carving at this wood, I finally made it into the baseball bat I've always wanted. And it looks something like this. I had time to carve the letters in and add the duct tape, but besides that, I think it holds out pretty nicely. Alright, here is our maple. I'm deciding that it's a maple based on the coloring, based on the bark, based on the location. It's a maple. It's heavy. It's a very heavy wood compared to that other bat. And did a few practice swings with it, and I'm pretty satisfied. It's a smaller head, but you still hit a ball with this. It is 34.5 inches long with a beeswax finish. Overall, I love this coloring. I'm all for it. So there's another fun project. Hopefully it won't split. I think this is too small to split. Highly recommend it. Alright, let's give it a few practice. Head on. Yeah, it's broken. It don't work. Ah.
Take out a window.
It won't go that far.
How do you know?
I can't hit that far.
I don't know if you need it. Just a little clear white box. There we go.
Thanks for watching. So I was editing the video on the baseball bat and I noticed that the bat has cracked. It's now been 2 weeks since I made the bat. The bat cracked and it bent based on the evaporation. I guess the beeswax didn't hold through. This is what the bat looks like. You can tell that it's bent. Now the bat has cracked right there from the center right down to here. It definitely isn't level or plumb anymore. It curved. Some of the knots have more tension on them, but that's the biggest right there. Still strong.